Welcome to the Mythical Forest with Dee Dee and Boris, and today we're straining our enzyme cleaner. And I'm going to give you some tidbits and stuff here and there about the enzyme cleaner. This is the enzyme cleaner that has been sitting. It's supposed to sit for 3 months. It's probably been 6 months. And as you can see, some of it looks like it even evaporated. But now it is time for me to strain it. The reason that these look so red compared to this one is because I used blood oranges for this one. And this is regular oranges and lemons. Look how pretty the blood orange is. So, and if you're wondering what this is, it's not a little turd. I'm trying to train Buster to stay there and not get up under my feet. Good boy.
Yeah, that's a good boy.
Stay. So, I'm telling him to stay there, and every time he stays, he gets another treat. So, basically, go watch my enzyme cleaner making video on how to make this. And it's in the playlist for, and it's called Enzyme Cleaners. And
I don't want to shake it too much. Last time I did that, I got paint all over my pants.
That's
Look.
Right. That's true. You're wearing those pants today.
Yeah, I'm wearing my pants.
You wouldn't believe it, you guys. I
was trying to help.
I was in the yard, and I heard him screaming, "Come, help, help." And I'm like, what is happening? He's yelling, help. And I come out here, thank God I had a tarp all over the frick. And he had the paint all over his shirt, his shoes.
Oh, snap. Look at that little side step.
And he had to strip down, and I had to get a plastic bag, throw it all in there, and then it was a mess. I'm telling you, it was just a nightmare. Oh, man. Because I told him, we're stirring the paint. He goes, no, I'm just going to shake it in the can. I'm like, no, don't shake it in the can.
Shake it. Like I just did this. Like shake it like a roll Polaroid picture.
Like that. You shook it like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
He shook it like this.
With
Look.
both hands.
Like that.
Yeah, like
Boom.
that. And I didn't.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. Okay, so.
Too bad I don't have a video of that. That would have went viral for you guys. So, okay, we're going to go over to this table. This is already made and strained. And you can put it in any kind of container you want. As you can see, this is an old Ajax dish soap. This is the Everclear alcohol that we use.
We are raging alcoholics.
No. We use this to make our tinctures. You guys go and watch our video on how to make tinctures. That's in our playlist also. So this is our herbal tincture. This is what we would use in the leftover bottle. I'm using it. This is apple juice bottles. I'm using apple juice bottles.
There's like, it's like all the pulp went to the bottom that didn't get strained. But that's good for...
It's okay. It's not really. I just didn't strain it that good. So, okay. Now, what can you use it for? You can use it for cleaning artificial turf.
Or Ajax juice.
You can... No, that's not Ajax juice.
No, but it's Enzyme Cleaner in an Ajax bottle.
So, what you can do is, this stuff is made by Simple Green to clean artificial turf from dog stains, urine, that kind of thing.
For AstroTurf, right?
AstroTurf, yes. You can also use it on concrete if the dog goes to pee. If you have a backyard without grass or one, and it keeps going pee on the concrete, which is horrible smell. If y'all know what I'm talking about, if a dog continues to pee on concrete, it's horrible. Anyway, this is what you would do: is you would go and buy one of these from the Home Depot. That's the Simple Green Enzyme Cleaner. And then when you're done with it, make your own. So before we get started, I want to ask you guys if you could please go and like and subscribe. And to subscribe is for free. It costs you nothing. Just hit that little subscribe button, you guys.
Mythical Forest with Dee Dee and Boris
on YouTube here. And also, we have some members only. Those cost, but not subscribing just to the YouTube channel. So do that. It's for free. It helps us out tremendously, and we would really appreciate it. And
the like button is right here.
I don't know where the button is.
Yeah, the like is over here, and the subscribe is right next to it. Yeah.
What if they're watching it on TV? I'm not sure, you guys.
Okay.
So, anyway, go ahead and do that. And then if you have any comments at the end, leave them for us, or any suggestions. I love to learn. So anyway, thanks for that, and let's get to it. So anyway, this is you would just, once you go to the store and you empty this out, This thing attaches to your hose. It's the best thing ever.
And it shoots out like a spray mist.
You turn this little knob, and then it starts to spray water mixed with your enzyme cleaner, and you clean whatever area.
Here, we're going to show you how.
This is what I do. You're just going to refill it like this. It's just that easy.
It's still got the booze top.
I put the booze top on top.
Booze pour top.
So just like that, that's all. I'm not going to show them the whole thing because I don't have any turf to show, but I just wanted to show you. It's just real easy. You just refill all these, and I have a whole bunch.
Don't throw those away because these are great tops.
Yes, don't throw these away because they're great reusable tops. So that was my whole point, is to get something, reuse it. And then you can use this also to refill your enzyme cleaner in this, okay? So with that said, I want to show you something.
Sweet Jesus.
I'm going to show you. I'm going to clean this table.
Oh, yeah, show it.
So let's use
Sweet Jesus.
This thing has been sitting here for at least 6 months with nothing clean in it.
So we're cleaning it with homemade enzyme cleaner. Yeah. What do you think, Buster?
Homemade enzyme cleaner.
Yeah, Buster's like, I approve.
Leaves off.
Yeah, scrubber or something. Yeah, get those.
Excuse me. This is a squeegee. Just getting all the main stuff. All right, let's do another round with enzyme cleaner.
Yeah, we need to let it soak for a little bit there.
Yeah, I didn't have a scrub brush, so let's see how good it works with just an old rag.
Let's see how you go. That's pretty good.
It's really stuck on there, whatever that is.
Yeah, because it's probably been sitting there for ages.
Yeah, if I had a scrub brush, this would work better. But I just wanted to show you guys. It works pretty good. I mean, look. And this stuff is like, I don't know, tar-like feeling.
Be careful, don't
you see?
break your nails.
I just want to show them how gooey that stuff, and it's taking it off. Look. Look at that.
Oh, yeah, that end over there needs it bad.
It's working. Alright, so we dropped the phone inside of all that down on the ground. We had to go wash the phone off because we use our phone to video. So I want to show you this. Look at the rag.
Wow.
Look at the rag.
Filthy.
Look at that filth.
Eesh.
It works. It works.
Okay, now flip. Yeah.
Alright, so
look at that.
I'm gonna not clean this other part, and then when we move all the bottles, we can see the difference in the. How about that? Let's do that. Let me hang that to dry. Let's go over here now. Let's go over here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna strain. Oh, the reason that some of these are different colors also is because some of it's pineapple, some of it's lemon, and some of it's orange.
Yeah.
So to strain it, you're gonna get your. This is an apple juice container. You're just gonna get a funnel. And you're gonna do this. Look, he's still sitting there. And you're just gonna look at all that fungus. That's from the enzyme.
We need a bucket to put we need a bucket to put all the gross stuff.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get a rag. Let me get something to wipe your hand. Just
Yeah.
Here. Okay, stop it, and we'll start again.
Hold on. We'll be back.
Okay, here's the container. It's empty now. All it has is gunk inside of it. So I'm just going to put the lid on it, and I'm going to throw that in the trash because I already reused this as much as I possibly could. And these are not really, if you take these to the recycle center, they won't take them. Can you believe that?
They fall apart.
Yeah, so it's going to go in the trash.
The sun makes them fall apart.
I don't feel guilty. I at least used it for one more application, okay? So that's going to go in the trash. Let's do the next one.
Uh-oh. Hold on, we're playing.
Buster. Uh-oh. Hold on. Hold on a second. Where's Buster's treat? What'd I do with it? Oh, here it is. Buster, you're not learning. Go to your place. Go to your place. Sit. Good boy. And stay. Stay. Okay.
All right.
Woo, 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 woo. That's gonna. Oh, it made it. Okay, I thought it was gonna overrun. So you see that just filtered out most of the big chunks, and then you just put your lid, and then set it aside. Thank you very much. My helper there. Good camera work and assistant at the same time. Look at that. Look at that. The color is really nice, huh?
Yeah. Looks like you'd almost drink it.
Yeah, you don't want to. Definitely want to label this because the kids might think it's Kool-Aid. I'm always pranking Boris. If y'all go to our playlist, you can look at the pranks that I do on Boris. But I would never do that prank. Nothing to make him sick, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe something disgusting, but not make him sick. Y'all go watch some pranks. I got some good ones. I got some where I had him drink some purple cabbage juice, and he thought it was Kool-Aid. Alright, so let's put the lid on that. Let's look at it. Look at that. That's pretty good.
It's real good.
Alright, so we got another one.
Stick.
Done. That's going to go in the trash. I'm doing this one-handed too. We're both one-handed today. Let's do, you know what? Let's do an orange, an icky
gross orange one.
Let's see.
Oh, here's the kitty cat meditating.
Okay, look, you guys.
What's up, kitty cat? Jack?
Looks nasty looking, look. All that's broke down
Ew.
over time.
Ew. Now my hand's going to be all sticky.
Here, let me wipe it off.
Ew, thank you. It's okay. Let's just get this done.
Okay. And I have a little spoon here. Just to... Uh-oh. Got it on the Boris again. Sorry, honey.
It's okay, baby.
I'm making a mess.
Oof.
Buster, go sit. Go to your place. Good boy. I'm giving him treats on the side. I'm doing this with one hand, giving the dog a treat, filtering out enzyme cleaner and pouring it all over Boris's hand. This is not so messy if you have... You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to get... hold it right there. I'll be right back. Watch out. You're under my feet again.
Yeah, because we still have like a whole half a gallon.
This is going to be the little container.
Yeah, of the gross, of the ick.
Stuff. Yep.
Pour the ick in there.
Yep. There we go. And sometimes you have to squeeze it a little to get the... This is mandarins right here. Look, you can tell by looking at it. It was mandarins that have gone bad. And usually I just use the peel, but this looked like I put some actual fruit in there. And if you didn't want to use this to clean with, you could use it to attract black soldier flies also. And y'all go watch that episode on, I think it's under bugs, worms or something on the playlist. Learn how to farm black soldier flies. Let's throw that away. If you wanted to, you could let it drain a little more, but I'm being lazy and I'm not letting it drain all the way. So, all right, let's get another one here. So let's do the same color.
There.
Ooh-wee, here it goes.
Ooh.
That's it. Ooh. So.
Okay.
Okay,
Look at the difference. One is brown, one is red.
And one is yellow. This one right here is, that's mandarin, that's blood orange, that's pineapple. And this is lemon or orange. I'm not sure which one.
That'll be a great thumbnail right there.
So, back up, Buster. Go to your place. Let's see.
My hand's all sticky.
Well, we'll have to wash it.
Ooh.
So yes, I have found that I don't particularly want to use any of this for the indoors, but I love to use this stuff at the chicken coop. I use it a lot at the chicken coop. I have a little piece of artificial turf at the chicken coop, and I pour the, let me show you, hold on a second. Excuse me, Buster.
Ding, 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 ding.
You want to, we'll go to the coop. We'll go to the coop in just a second, and I'll show you, okay? Let's head over there, and I'll show you. Okay, so I wanted to show you. I don't always put on boots when I go in the chicken coop because sometimes my knee hurts me, and I don't always
sweet little knees.
I haven't always had this bench here, so to stand on one foot and try to change my shoes. And anyway, sometimes I'm in a hurry too, and I don't want to do all that rigmarole. So, is that just in Alabama that we say they had
rigmarole? That's such a great word.
Anyway, I don't know where it came from, but that's what I'm trying to say. So, anyway, I go into the chicken coop and get sometimes my shoes dirty with poop or something, right? I have a little trick. Y'all have to watch some of our chicken coop videos also. But
oh, my sweet
if
girls.
I go in here, y'all get me my shoes dirty if y'all poop anywhere and I don't see it. So here's what I do. I want to show you. I also use this to clean things, but I have my enzyme cleaner at the door. I spray it right, I squirt it right here on my artificial turf, and I wipe my shoes down like that. Cleans them real good.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it works pretty good. So that's what I've been doing for a couple of years now. And that's why I make my homemade enzyme cleaner, to clean my shoes off, because I don't want to track stuff into the house. Plus, we have artificial turf in the yard, and I don't want to track poop all over my artificial turf. It's like carpet. It's like trapping poop on your carpet, except it's outdoors. So I do that. And then another thing you can do is, if you got to wipe things down at the coop and things get dirty on your outdoor furniture, you know, you just can use this to wipe things down. You know, just wipe all your things down that you need to. If you need to wipe the door.
Yep.
And I'll tell you another thing that happens is when you're in the coop, and if you're standing there talking to the chickens, the door will hit you in the butt, right?
Yeah,
Right?
that's true.
Look how filthy. Look how filthy that door is.
Yeah, and then you go sit on your bed or on the couch with that.
So every once in a while, I use my enzyme cleaner to clean the door. Clean the door down.
We love that, huh, Buster?
It smells very lemony. Look, Buster's smelling. Buster likes to smell too. It smells very lemony, right, Boris?
Uh-huh.
Well, if you use the lemon and the lime, citrusy, should say. Because
get that corner of the door over there.
The pineapple.
Yeehaw.
Well, we got our OCD. So you see how, look at that. Looks like a brand new door.
Yes, ma'am. Look at that.
Yeah. Now if my butt hits it, I'm not going to get it. Look
yes.
At that. Look.
Oof.
Okay.
Awful.
So outdoor furniture, chicken coop, all that. Look it. Cleans good. This had stuff all over it. I mean, after a while, even touching that every single day, you know, turn the knob, it's gonna get dirty, right?
Yeah.
And so there you go. That's it. So I just wanted to show you guys a few things that I do with this enzyme cleaner. And so as you can see, we put a whole container over here. You see all those red little lids? That's right there, ready for me at any time that I want to use my enzyme cleaner to clean. So that's it. If you guys enjoyed this, like I said, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to check out more stuff, go to our playlist. We have all kind of stuff: freeze drying, gardening, homemade fertilizer, chickens, pranks, all kind of stuff. So I had to walk uphill to get up here. I'm out of breath. Man, getting old. Anyway, thanks for watching, and God bless everyone.